Trust and fiduciary service providers versus private client lawyers. Which one is better for wealth preservation? Preserving wealth across generations requires careful planning, and most people get this wrong by relying on only one type of advisor. The surprising truth is that the choice between trust services and private client lawyers can dramatically affect your financial security. Trust and fiduciary service providers specialize in managing, administering, and protecting assets. They create trust structures, handle investments, and ensure tax-efficient wealth transfers. For example, a family with multi-jurisdictional assets might use a trust provider to oversee property, investments, and charitable commitments, ensuring compliance with complex regulations and maintaining confidentiality. Trust providers excel at operational management continuity and safeguarding assets over the long term. Private client lawyers, on the other hand, focus on legal strategy. They draft wills, structure trusts, provide estate planning advice, and handle disputes. Their role is critical when navigating inheritance laws, succession planning, and high-value transactions. While lawyers provide legal certainty and tailored advice, they may not manage day-to-day administration or investment oversight. The difference is operational stewardship versus legal strategy. Trust providers ensure assets are professionally managed and preserved, while private client lawyers ensure that structures are legally sound and aligned with client intentions. The most effective wealth preservation strategy combines both. Lawyers design the plan, and fiduciary services execute it efficiently. The takeaway is clear: relying solely on a lawyer may leave wealth undermanaged, while only using a trust provider could expose you to legal risks. The surprising truth is that integrating legal expertise with professional fiduciary management provides both security and growth. By combining the strengths of both, families and high net worth individuals can protect, grow, and transfer wealth with confidence for generations to come.